Hey guys, what's up? So here on the bench I have two Bafang chain rings. The one on the right is the standard BBS HD chain ring, and the one on the left is the new chain ring from the M625 1000W Bafang kit. This kit have just been launched in the market. It's a kind of new sensation. You can see it has the chain ring bolts here, so you can replace the chain ring, but the problem here is the offset. Look the difference in height between them, and so there is a difference, a gap, you know. And more, this part here, that's the part that will touch the motor, you'll be in contact with the granny gear. This part is where it's gonna make the chain ring spin. It's way thicker, you know, than this one. What does that mean? It means that when you're gonna use the original chain ring that comes with the kit, you're gonna have chain alignment problems. Okay, so can you see the chain line over there? The chain line is kind of crossed, but we have the derailleur doing its work, working as a chain guide. Yeah, when we install the original chain ring, the chain offsets, like goes more to the outside, and the chain is so crossed that you cannot even use the top gears. So this video is to tell Bafang that they are manufacturing a chain ring that doesn't have the same offset than the BBS HD, and it will create so many problems to the customers and shops looking to do a decent installation. You know, if I get the vernier caliper over here, we can measure it. Okay, so I'm getting my vernier caliper. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, just touching the shoulder of the, okay, how many millimeters from the bench? So about 21 millimeters. Now look at this, look at this. Let's lower, bang, kind of touching about that. Yeah, about 16 millimeters. So there are 5 millimeters gap difference just in height, okay, from this to that one. However, the difference is even bigger, because not only the shape of the chain ring is different. When I mean shape, I mean this, the curvature, you know, but this part here that attaches to the motor is thicker. So I probably have to use a ruler. I'm gonna put the camera here. I'm gonna get a ruler. And so this is like even on top of the chain ring. I'm gonna measure this gap here. Okay, so the distance is about 8 to 9 millimeters. Okay, let's not be that precise. Okay, and look at this one. Huh, 19 millimeters. Look at that. So measuring the depth here. So this is 19 millimeters, you know, while the other is just the fill. Look at that. So what does that mean? People will have problems with their chain line, and you guys know here from the channel that 9 millimeters, so it's like 10 millimeters difference between the internal offset. That's a lot. That's why the customer tried to install the motor himself and he couldn't, and this is the reason, one of the reasons why, you know. So we're going with the original BBS HD chain ring to give him the best chain line possible. That's it, guys. Cheers. I hope you got the message here. You know, let's tell Bafang they are wrong. They need to give at least 10 millimeters more offset, you know, on this chain ring. The chain ring has to go on towards the inside, towards the bottom bracket of the bike, not towards the outside, towards the pedal, you know, the right crank arm. That's it, guys. Cheers. Thanks for watching.